Hello, this is Justin from Empower Operations. We've created a solution for design optimization, exploration, and rapid iteration that leverages next-gen algorithms, machine learning, math, and statistics that allows companies to solve highly constrained and highly dimensional black box problems. In this video, we will show you how quickly and effectively OASIS interacts with Solidworks so that you can explore, improve, and optimize your design at any stage of your design process through a built-in plugin. For this demonstration, we have a flywheel model which is rotating at 1000 RPM. Our objective is to find the slot dimensions and to achieve the minimum stress for the design. Here is the design again with the input parameters, or slot dimensions. Now, I am selecting the input parameters from the design dimensions. We then connect to the simulation study, which will populate the external loads. Click Mesh and Run to retrieve the results plot where we will select the stress objective. Clicking Optimize will open the OASIS import window. Note the inputs and outputs were automatically imported and linked between Solidworks and OASIS, an important function to save time and prevent errors. All we have to do now is enter the desired input bounds and press Optimize. For demonstration purposes, let's place OASIS next to Solidworks. Side by side, you'll see OASIS searching for the best design while interacting with Solidworks in real time. The colorful bands you are seeing is a powerful visualization tool that shows insight into how input parameters affect the objective. Let's stop for now and look at the results. A summary of the runs is provided at the end, which can be exported into Excel for further analysis. Going to the results sheet, we can identify the best point out of our currently evaluated runs and rerun selected points to see the design in Solidworks. And here is the design OASIS suggested to minimize the stress objective. And that's it for today, folks. This video demonstrated the OASIS Solidworks plugin so that you can explore, improve, and optimize at any stage of your design process. Contact us for any questions or inquiries for what OASIS can do for you.